भाजपाचे युवा फुडारी हांकां गोंयांत मरण आयलां. तांच्या मरणाचेर योग्य तपासणी जावची. ताच्या घरच्यांनी तिचो खून जाला म्हूण दुबाव उक्तायला. मुखेलमंत्र्यान वा भलायकी मंत्र्यान ह्या केशींत मदीं पडचें न्हय. कितें आसा ती निवळ तपासणी पुलिसांक करपाक दिवची म्हूण गिरीश चोडणकर उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Mysterious death of young BJP leader Sonali Phogat needs to be investigated properly. There should be fair probe. Chief Minister, Health Minister should not pressurize Goa Medical College doctors to compromise on autopsy report. The family members of Sonali has already raised the doubt about her death, and they also wants the investigation. We have to send a clear message to the tourism industry and to the tourists that they are visiting Goa, that Goa is a safe place. So we strongly demand with the Chief Minister that there should be a fair probe and they should not interfere to compromise the investigation and the medical reports.